Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change navigation bar position on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the navigation bar position allows you to customize the layout of your device interface according to your preferences. And also, by adjusting the navigation bar position, you can tailor the user experience to suit your usage habits. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin customizing the navigation settings on your device, access the Settings menu to fine-tune the display options. Select the display option and scroll through the settings until you locate the navigation bar menu. Tap on the option to access the navigation customization features. Okay, within the navigation bar settings, click on More Options to delve deeper into the navigation configuration possibilities. Okay, so here you will discover a range of navigation bar positioning options available for your device. So you can choose between different positions for the navigation bar according to your needs. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change navigation bar position on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.